Okay, so it's a little bit later in the day. Been walking around for a few hours now. It's actually really steamy because the drizzle stopped. So the temperature's come out and it's warmed up. So we'll get some footage around here. There's some pretty cool stuff around here. Fun seal. And this is the dry fur. You can see over the drains, what they do is they put like either doormats or carpet, you can see over here out in front of their shops, all the red matting. Just cross over. That's because it's actually quite pungent. See here where it's been covered up. Okay, so we've left, looks like kitchen utensils lane, and now we're in hardware lane. So here's old mate, Tony Vu. He's got another one around the corner. What do we got here? Coat racks, door handles. More hardware, casters, door locks. Mesh. I think I might get to this road, do a U-turn and go get a brewski at Tony Vu's, I think. That's the thing, it's quite deceiving because you walk along the streets and you're always looking at ground level. You always forget to look up. We actually found a really cool restaurant last night on the top of the corner. I'll just get a better look at this place. Looks quite good. So you got a little coffee place upstairs. As I say, you can't just keep your eyes at road level. Pardon me. Quite a few people queued up at the front of that one. We've got here local brewery. I reckon this is me. Big danger. Oh, oh, oh. Let's go check this out. Whew. All right, I'm going to enjoy this and then keep walking.